Introducing the latest model of the NXT family, the all-new NXT21. Guaranteed to deliver the industry's best waves, premium MasterCraft quality, and the highest levels of comfort in and behind the boat. The NXT21 is here to make sure your family experiences the best of the best at an approachable price. Like all new MasterCrafts, the NXT21 comes standard with telematics. Combined with MasterCraft's app, MasterCraft Connect, you can stay connected to your boat at all times, both on and off the water. With a brand new hybrid bow design, the NXT21 offers more seating and storage in the bow, while keeping that sleek, traditional bow styling so many love. Equipped with the industry's best surf system, SurfStar, the NXT21 is crafted to create those perfect waves that you expect from all MasterCraft models. Sacrifice nothing and unlock your family's next adventure with the all-new NXT21.